Hello and welcome to the third contest between Mavericks and Lions. Here comes the toss.
Bowling.
5 is the call.
Bowling.
Captain has decided to ball first. हाँ भाई बॉलिंग करने का आपने फैसला लिया, वजह सूरज की वजह से। क्या अच्छा टोटल कर सकेंगे? उस दिन आपने तो पहले बॉलिंग की थी, यार बैटिंग हो जाएगी। आपकी टू टीम को चेंजेस या वही टीम? कौन खेलेगा? बताएं ना अभी कोई है नहीं किसको भैया मुझे खिला ले। हाँ खिला दो, एक बार खिला दो बस। रीफा भाई से दूसरा बैट ले लो।
The skipper of Trust Lines told that he decided to bowl first because the sun is in the front of the batsman heads. Here comes the little Afnan to big Adnan. The little man versus the tall man. Here he goes, the first ball. Push on the leg side, won a single. Oh. The keeper wants to attack directly. Trust Line after the last match winnings and consecutive match in 2 days. What a shot that is!
Whoa!
Second balls into the stand in the slot this time from a little Afnan. Look at that! What a sound of the bat that was!
Wow!
A cracking shot! 2 balls, 6 runs. Here you go once again. Oh, pusher into the hands, chance, no. The little fellow is bowling in the slot. A very dangerous man. And that's one before. What a shot! Cracking out of the bat of the Adnan. Second last ball of the over, Afnan to Adnan. One along the leg side on a single, no. Good fielding by Umair. Last ball of the over.
साइड पे कर ले भैया, साइड पे कर ले।
Afnan to Adnan. Oh, good delivery. Misses by both. Batter and receiver. 1 over gone. 10 without loss. Umair, come to ball the next over. Here you go. Saad
तारीख
is on a strike
एक ऐसी
now.
टीम थी जो एक
Umair to
अंपायर की
Saad.
गलती की वजह से एक मैच हार गई।
First ball of the second over. Oh, close to the stumps. Nice delivery.
ले बॉलिंग अच्छी कराने तेरे लड़के।
He's bowling very well so far since last match. A close match between Trust Line and attackers. Second ball, shot and gone. Straight to the man. The sunny, the rock star took the catch of the Saad, the dangerous man gone. The vice captains of Mavericks comes to bat. Ahmed, Umair to Ahmed. Oh, straight drive, straight to the man, not getting any run. Here you go, Umair to Ahmed. Oh, full toss.
मोइने पानी दे दी इधर।
Single very easily, running the between the wicket is very fast.
ओके है।
Adnan utilizing his long
गोल
feet
नजर आ रहा है, बैट
to run
नजर आ रहा है, कीपर की
as
विकेट नजर
quick
नहीं आ रही।
as much
कीपर
possible.
ऐसे खड़ जाता है।
Second last ball of the match.
wicket
Can
नहीं आ
Umair give a breakthrough on the leg side this time? Get single one more.
मुल्ले यार बात सुनना।
Last ball of the overs. Can Umair took one more wicket or Ahmed smashes for 6?
थोड़ा सा पीछे अंदर हो जा, थोड़ा सा इधर हो जा और बस।
Last ball of the over. Full toss, reset to the man, gone. Oh, Am you kidding me? What are you doing with the full toss? It's a juicy full toss. It won't be out of the park. A big blow. 2 over 12 for 2. A young man took 2 wickets, only losing 2 runs. Here comes Abdullah from Emirates comes on the non-striker end. Adnan on strike. Afnan ball, third over. There we go. Oh, push on the left side. Great. Oh, good running. Good running between the wickets. Getting 2 runs very easily. There you go. Afnan to Adnan.
मुल्ले बच्चे तेरे अच्छी फील्डिंग बॉलिंग करे मुल्ले थोड़ा बाहर हो
Good delivery.
मुल्ले थोड़ा बाहर
Wonderful delivery that is.
मुल्ले हाथ घुमा मुल्ला ओवर करेगा भाई मुल्ला ओवर
Slightly
करेगा
outside off.
मुल्ला ओवर करेगा आज पहला
Passing through the bat. Oh, good stop by Yusuf.
well fielding of the captain
nice
is the world
field.
boy as the first over of the world
Afnan to
world
Adnan.
class bowling of the Pakistan well ball
Oh, push on the offside. Quick running between the wickets. It is a chance, no? Oh, Adnan suddenly stops. It is a big
world class
wicket.
ball of the world man of the Nogro
Might be, but
chance
very lucky.
chance ho.
There you go.
well bowling of the world
Adnan.
side bowling well ball
Oh,
of the
push
single
on the
man
leg side, getting single very easily from the hands of Umar.
well ball of the field miss
Last ball of the Afnan's over. Afnan to Abdullah.
मिसफील्ड मुल्ला थोड़ा साइड मुल्ला सैफुल्ला थोड़ा साइड
There you go, Afnan to Abdullah. Push on the leg side.
यारे हवा से लेके
Into the roof. That you will avoid it 0.
is a well ball of the next over
Umar
of the
comes to
women
ball, 4th
First
over,
ball
power
coming.
play is off now. You have allowed 2 fielders to go outside. Getting single from the hands.
is a well bowling of the
Quick
one
running
singer
between the wickets.
मिसफील्ड
The batting side is looking just for 30 to 40 runs. Push on the leg
chance
side.
of a run out
Another chance. Another misses.
miss the chance of a run out but a really piece of bowling Saifullah get aside
There you go. Umar to
chance of a bowling of
Adnan.
the well ball
Oh, a nice
of the under is
shot,
going
but
of the Pakistan running
you are not getting any run. It is struck in the tree. A clever shot, but rewarded 0. 3.3 over gone, 17 for 2. Both teams want their good finish.
well ball of the opener
There you go, skipper is on strike. In the slot, that might be hammered on the leg side. And umpire is checking and pointing his finger that it is a 6. It is touches the boundary line and it is a 6.
6 of the Adnan
The fielders confirms and
umpire
recheck
gonna
that
save and the defense is a well
because
ball.
it is touch on the ball. It might all the way. It is 6. It is 6. What a wonderful striking by Adnan.
क्या करने पानी पिला तू वे उमर भाई के भी देख लियो उमर भाई वाले भी देख लियो
Some pressure relief from Malik side. As the skipper is in the crease now, he's a very powerful man. Long handles, using his height, advantage of his height. Second last one of the ball, well stop. Good delivery and nicely stops by Adnan.
Well stopped. हैं? यार छाता लगा अंडा हुआ यार.
On the left side this time and getting runs from the hand. Why poor feeding.
कमेंट्री करें कमेंट्री करने आती है. Rifan Ansari is the world ball of the Pakistan.
4 overs gone.
चार ओवर स्कोर क्या है?
24 without our second wicket. 24 for 2. 9 runs from that over. The call of catch and getting single from the hand easily. Abdullah is on strike. Afnan to Abdullah.
नहीं खैर बगैर आउट नहीं है. बॉल हो गई. कोई बात यार यहाँ पे खड़े हैं. ओवर कितने? ओवर 10 ओवर है. 6 बंदे हैं.
There you go. Afnan to Abdullah. Good shot. Pushes on the leg side. Getting runs from the hand easily. Adnan is on strike now. Afnan to Adnan. He is very good form now. He's set 18 of 23. Adnan. That is gone all the way into the leg side and smashes all the way for 6 above the head of Yusuf. And that gone all the way. That is a mighty shot. That is a good shot.
यार मुल्ले थोड़ा साइड पे आगे हो जा यार.
He has to take the charge. As the bowling is not too much good, although they got some early breakthrough from full tosses. But a good batsman beats you in that situation. Adnan has done it once again. There you go. Oh, good delivery. Nicely stops and getting single from the hands. Wonderful running by Abdullah. There are many chances given by Trust Lines. There you go. Afnan to Abdullah. That is a mighty blow. Oh, making room, and what a shot that is. Abdullah, the hard hitter of the ball, reaches the bowling point and smashes all the way. Sunny is now taking Yusuf back. Afnan to Abdullah. A good shot on the offside. Quick single. 5 over gone. 40 for 2. 16 runs from that over. A big over. Adnan 30 of 20. Abdullah 9 of 5 ball.
गंदे तो भाई. मोइज राफे.
Trust Lines searches for some wickets. Can somebody do a breakthrough for them? There you go. Yusuf comes to ball.
No ball.
It is a no ball goal. And it is a free hit for Abdullah to smashes all over the way. There you go. Yusuf to Abdullah. Oh, shot! He is batting very well so far. What a beautiful shot by Abdullah. Again, making room and reaches to the bowling point. Another no ball. Oh, gone. Calls of run out and gone.
Oh, ये तो no, ये तो what over.
Oh, you do not have to take this single. That is gone. He is striking with umpire. but umpire stay with his decision that he's out. If it is no ball, it is out because it is a run out. Adnan is not happy after losing that wicket. He knows the importance of that wicket. Some relief to the strikers.
होल्ड करो शाबाश एक रह गया
Now the free hit to Adnan. A new man. Faizan comes. Another no ball called. He is bowling far, far away from the stumps. Yusuf to Adnan once again. What a shot! But you will award it as a 0 and it is on the roof. Adnan is not happy after losing that one. But you have one more free hit. All dreams come to Yusuf to avoid the no balls because the match is shifting now, Maverick side. It is a big total. No ball and smashes all the way for 6. What a shot!
सो हो जाएगा भैया सो हो जाएगा
There is something with the boundary that it is also going from the roof. Oh, that might be goal. No chance. Taking single easily.
रन कॉल किया कर यार पागल है
The catch is taken, but it is a free hit, and well aware of. Another no ball into the leg side. Another single. A very big over comes.
एक घंटा पड़ता कितना
18 runs also given by Yusuf. 3 balls to go. Here you go, Yusuf to Adnan.
अंडे बढ़ेंगे इनको अंडे बढ़ेंगे
What a shot! What a beautiful shot! He's bowling in the slot and it is a favorite shot of Adnan to take his front foot on to the bowler's side and smashes powerfully. Wide delivery. Yusuf is in the pressure. The all side of plus lines are in the pressure as it is 66. Oh, push on the left side. Oh, good field by Young Shahir.
8 मिनट की
Last ball of that over. Can he hit one more?
तो इसके लाइव चला दो YouTube पे लाइव डाल पड़ेगा
Oh, that delivery.
रात को एडिटिंग होगा ना कमेंट्री होगी
That called by skipper.
होगी है वो तुम्हारी वीडियो है ना तुम्हारी कल नहीं है हमारी कल आ जाएगी आज ही टाइम क्या हो रहा है जल्दी करो हेलो यार
The penalty of time would also be applied on that because they are way late. Last ball of the over. And number 6. What a shot! It is a mighty below.
ये तो सही है अगर
Very big hit. 32 runs from that over. From 5 over 42. 6 over 72 for 3. 49 of 27. Adnan. Push on the leg side. Oh, chance! But misses by Umair.
फैजान इस जगह पानी लगा है.
Mavericks know that the match is now towards their side, but Trust Lions have two great batsmen. That is one more. That is one more. He is at hot form now. He's batting very well. What a shot! He is hitting sixes and sixes. Now wide delivery by Umair. A slight swinger, but way far away. There you go, Umair to Adnan. Oh, chanceable run out. No fumble. Oh, short delivery. Another six. Another maximum. 61 runs of 30 deliveries. Wonderful knocking by Adnan. Still 3 overs to go. Good delivery. Push on the leg side. Stops by Umair. They want one more. Nicely stops. And on the 1 run. 7 over gone. 86 for 3. 14 runs from that over. 3 to go.
टूर्नामेंट का सबसे हाई स्कोर आज है.
Mavericks wanna hit 100 and something. Oh, to all of catch. Good single. But none. Oh, misses by Faizan. Adnan is hitting hard length, but it is too late to ball there as the target is so high. Push on the leg side. Nice running between the wicket. Nice awareness of game of Faizan. Here we go. Afnan to Adnan. Oh, wide delivery.
लड़के नहीं यार, मैं तो देखा नहीं यार. मैं जा रहा हूँ.
There you go, the little versus big player. Oh, misses. The umpires check the hands of the skipper as they want to check if Saifullah took the ball after the wicket. Checking the no ball.
टाइम चल रहा है.
There you go. Afnan to Adnan. Oh. Single.
चौका नहीं हुआ.
Shot. Helicopter. Sweet shot, but not getting any run. Good over so far. 3 runs from that over. 8 over gone. 89 for 3. A wonderful over of Afnan can plan, but it is too late. And the target is reaches 89. 2 over required. There you go. Sanaullah comes to ball. No ball called.
है 0 बॉल पे 1 आ गया शाबाश 89 90 हो गया 90 ये सब पीछे जा
White ball called. Free hit remains. Sanaullah to Adnan. Another no ball.
ठीक है 0 पे 2
Another free hit.
91 हो गया
Trust lines have misses their third bowler. Oh, swing and a miss.
काम भी करते का वो देख के
Free hit is missed by Adnan. There you go. Wide delivery. Short ball has been hammered by Adnan. Long way.
होने वाली है
It's 97 now. Another short ball. Another hammer. All the way for 6. 100 comes up for Adnan team. The highest ever total in this tournament. Wide delivery from Sanaullah. Cantress lines achieve this total.
अंडा फाड़ दो बस ओए भागो
No ball
नहीं है भागो
into the roof and getting 0 run from that delivery. No ball called. Another no ball into the roof and awarded 0 runs. Sunny to Adnan. The last ball.
हाँ साइड पे हो जा बोले
Push on the leg side. One a single. Getting single. 1 or 2 no. 9 over gone. 105 for 3. 16 runs from that over. There you go, Yusuf.
मैं आगे 4 ही हो गए 3 हो गए ना खत्म हो गए 4 हाँ 4 के प्लान हो गए
As the limit is 4-3-3. The Afnan has 4 overs and Umar did 3 overs. Now Yusuf comes once again after giving 32 runs in first over as they have no other option. There you go, first delivery. Full toss and taken nicely by Sunny. A wonderful knock by Adnan. 77 of 45 deliveries. Appreciable. A little Khuzaima comes to bat. There you go, Yusuf to Khuzaima.
Hey, white ball of the umpire call.
White ball called. Oh, it is a no ball. Saifullah took this ball after the wickets. Another swing and a miss. Great misses by Khuzaima.
खनान इसको छोड़ दे तुम्हारा स्कोर बहुत है खनान इसको छोड़ दे
Dead delivery.
अरे ना
Saifullah is not happy with Yusuf's. There you go, Yusuf to Khuzaima. Short delivery, push on the offside. Oh, fumbles and getting single easily.
ट्राई करिए शॉट की लास्ट ओवर है बीच छक्के के ट्राई करियो
Yusuf to Faizan. Oh, good delivery, swing and a miss.
ठीक है
right into the block hole. And Faizan misses. Can he hit big shots? As 2 balls remaining. A very big total. Short delivery wide on the leg side. Here we go. Yusuf to Faizan shot. Lofted long way. What a shot. It's 114 now. Oh, the catch. Last ball of that over. Yusuf to Faizan, 114. Can he hit one more 6? What a single, Saifullah out. It's 114, all out, 9 runs from that over. A wonderful innings come to an end of Mavericks. 10 touch lines. Chase the highest ever total in this tournament. Saifullah and Umair comes to bat. Abdullah from Mavericks comes to ball. Can they complete that total? Play ball. Oh, good delivery. Right into the legs of Saifullah. Misses completely. A huge total of 115 requires on just 49 balls. It is easy if you wanna hit big. 2 ball misses completely. Abdullah wanna hit, smash the bails off using his pace, hitting hard lengths, challenges the batsman. The umpire is checking the outside line for the bowlers, the wide grease of the bowler. Third delivery, Abdullah to another swing and a miss, passes through the bails. As a huge pressure of a huge target. A short delivery right into the legs of the Saifullah. 4 ball dots. That is not the right start. Mavericks side is very happy because they know the strength of their bowling. They can all be ready. Wins their last match against. Oh, good delivery. Oh, chance getting single easily. Last ball of the over. Umair on a strike. Abdullah to Umair. There you go. Oh, it's outside edge. Oh, gone. The skipper of Mavericks comes to ball. Can he do well also with ball? As he did very well from his bat. 77 of 45 deliveries. There you go. Skipper. Good dog, push on the left side. Quick single. Taken. A direct hit in miss by Faizan. There you go, now to Umair. Short delivery wide on the leg side. A little fellow Umar is on the bat. Both teams wins their first match. Oh, good shot! Nice good 1-1. Getting two and getting their third easily. A quick running between the wickets. Umpire wanna check the boundary and given 3 runs. Saifullah on a strike. Adnan to Saifullah. Five run. Another swing and a miss. Good length delivery. Saifullah making room, but Adnan is bowling to his body. Oh, short ball. Missed by Saifullah completely. 2-dot ball from that over also. Saifullah 2 runs from 8 deliveries so far. For toss and locked it for 6. Flat hit. That gone all the way. Right, checks the ball as Saifullah crushes that ball. Last ball of the over on the left side, getting single very easily. 2 over gone. 12 without loss. 11 from that over. Saifullah 10 balls and 9 runs. Umar 3 of 2 balls. Abdullah comes to ball once again. Here we go. Abdullah to Saifullah once again. No ball called by umpire. It is a free hit. Abdullah to Saifullah, free hit. Powerful toss. Oh, he is not wanna take that single because he know that he can hit bigs. But you have to take that singles. Full toss delivery. Oh, unlucky. Hits the stumps, stopping the boundary because it is 4 if it does not hit the stumps. Here you go, Abdullah to Umar. Can a little fellow do something? Here you go. The people are wandering here and there, so the game stops in the gully cricket because of that. Here you go, Abdullah to Umar. Slow delivery wide down the left side. Here you go, Abdullah to Umar. Oh, good delivery, swing and a miss. Oh, that ball called. There you go. A loose delivery. Smashes. Call the catch and just over the boundary line for maximum. What a shot. Wait and then smashes all the way. What a hit that is. Good shot on the offside. Oh, fumbles. Quick running between the wickets. 21 now. Last ball of that over. Abdullah to Saifullah. Swing and a miss. Out swinger from Abdullah. 3 over gone, 21 without loss, 9 run from that over. Umair, 10 of 5, Saifullah, 10 of 14. A slow run rate. Required run rate is rising and rising. Here you go. Power plays off now. Adnan to Umair. Smashes. Chance. But getting single very easily. Adnan to Saifullah. Here we go. On the leg side this time, getting single easily. The match is not giving us too much entertainment as it is one-sided. Saifullah's team must have to take risk and hit big shots. Here we go. Adnan to Umair. Oh, good shot! But it is on the roof. It is a nice hit. What a beautiful shot that is. Wide on the offside. There you go, Adnan to Umair. Oh, slow delivery. Umair misses. It is passing by the stumps as well. The weather is too hot. It is very difficult to bat. Full toss delivery, one a single. Oh, Saiful. Oh, fumbles and taken. Last ball of that over. Adnan to Saifullah. Oh, wide down the leg side in swinging delivery. There you go. Oh, what a single from the hand. Nicely taken. The ball is stuck in the wicket. The vice keeper of Mavericks is happy. The Mavericks wall side is happy. As they know, it is very difficult to chase on their bowling line. Can touch lines. Change their feelings. There you go. A new bowler. Faizan comes to ball. There you go. Faizan to Saifullah. Oh, swing and a miss. Nicely taken by Ahmed. Saifullah is not happy with audience. They are teasing. They're teasing Saifullah. Here you go. A short ball. And in the roof. Unlucky Saifullah. There you go, Faizan. Another short ball. It is allowed. You have only one bouncer delivery allowed in 1 hour. Here you go. Short ball straight up. And getting single easily. Here you go, Faizan to Umair. Oh, leg side. Wide. Big wide. Here you go, Faizan to Umair. Outside edge. And taken single. Oh, nicely stops by Khuzaima on the boundary line. Last ball of that over. Only giving 27 runs still yet. Here you go. Oh, loose delivery and smashes all the way. Here comes some relief, but it is not good. 5 more guns, 33 without loss. Saifullah 21 ball faced, only put 19 runs on the board. Umair 13 runs of 10 deliveries. A huge total is required, only in just 5 overs. Here you go, Abdullah to Umair. What a single and gone. Direct hit by Abdullah. Took the wicket of Umair. And Umair gone after putting 13 runs of 11 deliveries. Sanaullah, the man in form, comes to bat. Here you go, Abdullah to Saifullah. Short ball on the leg side this time. 1 or 2. Getting 2 and nicely taken. Here you go, Abdullah to Saifullah. Oh, swing. Misses by both batsman and wicket keeper. Here you go, Abdullah to Saifullah once again. Full toss delivery. Touches the wide. Unlucky. One more time. Here he goes, Saifullah to Abdullah. Swing and a miss. Touches the bat and not getting any run. What a shot, cracking shot, goes for 4 from Adnan Head. 6 over guns, 39 for 1. 6 runs from that over. Saifullah 26 ball faced, only 25 runs on the board. Now Sanaullah is on a strike. Adnan to Sanaullah. Can Sanaullah changes something from yet? A huge total is required, only 39 runs on the board. You have to chase 115 runs. Only 24 balls required. Oh, what a delivery that is. Wide down the leg side. Adnan is bowling very well so far. Another swing, hits on the leg, another miss. The God police has come to say something. Here you go, 6.2 overs, only 39 runs. Short balls, another dot. It is dead delivery because the ball is crushed. Here you go, Adnan to... Oh, wide delivery. Here you go, Adnan. For toss, crushed, and goes for 4. What a sound of the bat and the speed of the bat of the Sanaullah. Here you go, Adnan to Sanaullah once again. What a shot that is. That's gone all the way. Wow. Good looking shot. He must have to hit 2 bigs, one more. 50, 49 for 1 now. 2 balls to go. Oh, that delivery misses line completely. Here you go, Adnan to Sanaullah. Can Sanaullah hit 2 more? Oh, swing and a miss. It's in swinging deliveries. Sanaullah making room, but it is very difficult to put that shot on the in swinging deliveries. Here you go, Adnan to Sanaullah. Push on the leg side. 1 or 2, call the 2, but getting 1 run only. 7 over gone, 50 outlaws. 66 requires only in 3 overs. 11 runs from that over. Adnan 3 overs, just 26 runs given. Here you go, Faizan to Sanaullah, swing and a miss. 22 point something required per over. Here you go, Faizan to Sanaullah. Wide down the offside. You have to hit 5 sixes to make your team comes. Push on the leg side and nicely stops by Adnan. The big man on the boundary line have stopped the ball. You have to manage this all the way. Wide down the leg side. Another swing and a miss. Wide down the offside this time. Another swing and a miss.
बेईमानी करके चलेगी पहले बेईमानी की मेरी बारी में
No run from that over so far. There you go, Faizan to Sunny. Oh, another short delivery, another miss. Sunny have no clue about that deliveries, but he is doing. We can't see him like this. Wide down the offside this time, losing his line. Faizan, a huge swing. Another swing and a miss. Oh, maiden over comes to an end. Faizan, wonderful bowling. Now, 66 requires. Only in 2 over. Can Saifullah do some magic from there? Here you go, our new bowlers. Saad come to ball. Oh, misses Saifullah first delivery of Saad. You have to hit bigs to take some run rate, because run rate is very important. You have to take close to the original score. There you go. Oh, another wide delivery from Saad. A good stop by Hussain. What a shot that is! We have seen Saifullah on the width, and he has smashes over Adnan head, and long shot that is. But it is too late. Another short delivery, another big hit, another mighty hit, another 6. Saifullah is now on 31, on 37. Stops by Adnan. Second last ball of Saad's over. Saad to Saifullah. Oh, shot! It's in the slot and Saifullah has hammered this over the Saad's and Adnan's head as well. He's 43 on 31 balls, but he's too slow to chase the biggest total ever in this tournament. Last ball of the Saad. Right down the leg side.
ये बॉल आ रही है ये ठंडे होके भी कह रहा हूं पीछे ना
68 for 1. You have to hit all sixes to win, but you can't. Here he goes, Saad to Saifullah. Push on the leg side, getting single easily. 9 over gones, 19 runs from that over, 69 for 1. Last over, Adnan to Saifullah. Adnan comes to ball his 4th over. Here he goes. Another swing and a miss.
Ahmed bhai, Ahmed bhai.
Saifullah is on 44 on 33 deliveries. Oh, in the slot this time. That is hammered all the way. 50 comes for Saifullah, but it is too late. The 50 on 34 deliveries is not much enough. His side is now 75. 40 requires on 4 deliveries. There you go, Adnan to Saifullah. Hold it. Clean it up on the full toss. Slide out swinger. 44 on 32 deliveries. A little Afnan comes to bat. 3 ball required. It's Adnan 6 wickets in 2 match. Right down the leg side. On a smash bouncer to little guy. There you go. Adnan. Maverick side is very happy as they manages to stop Saifullah side only on just 70 to 80 runs after a huge total. Oh, right into the elbow. What a piece. Short delivery. It's a little Afnan giving some fear to the little guy. There you go. Oh, it's this time. It's a great Yorker. Last ball of the innings. There you go. That's it. Another miss.
जैसे आप देख सकते हैं
39 runs. A great winning.
यहाँ पे खड़े हैं.
A wonderful knock off. Adnan took his team to win. A great match comes to an end.